Have your cucumbers suddenly stopped growing? Just a few days ago they looked great, producing new fruits and making progress every day. But now it seems as if they have completely stalled. Many gardeners immediately think the problem is watering or the weather. However, very often the plant has simply run out of the nutrients it needs to continue growing. Today I'm going to show you a simple homemade mixture that may help when cucumbers slow down or completely stop producing new fruits. The first ingredient is something many people simply throw away after using their fireplace or stove. Into half a liter of hot water, I add 1 tablespoon of wood ash. Wood ash contains potassium, one of the most important elements for fruit development. When cucumbers begin producing heavily, their demand for potassium increases dramatically. If there isn't enough available, the plant often slows its growth and produces fewer fruits. But that's not the most important part yet. Next, I add 1 banana peel cut into smaller pieces. Most people associate bananas only with the kitchen, but both the peel and the fruit contain valuable minerals that plants can use. During soaking, some of these nutrients are released into the water, providing additional support to the plant precisely when it needs extra energy to continue growing. But there is one more ingredient that makes this mixture special. I add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. We are not adding it as a fertilizer. Its role is to help certain minerals from the wood ash become more available in the solution while it sits. Now I stir everything thoroughly and leave it to steep for at least 24 hours. After that, I strain the liquid to remove the larger banana pieces. Before using it, I dilute the mixture with another half liter of water. This is where many people make a mistake. There is no need to apply this fertilizer every day. About 200 milliliters of the solution around the base of each plant once every 7 to 10 days is enough. If your cucumbers have slowed down because of a nutrient deficiency, you will often notice new flowers and fruits starting to appear after a relatively short time. Let me know in the comments if you are going to try this.